Welcome to this quick guide on updating your Discord channel topic, now updated for the latest app layout. If you want your server to feel organized and inviting, a clear channel topic helps members know what to expect. Let's walk through the steps so you can update it in no time. First, open Discord and head to your server. Find the specific channel whose topic you want to refresh. On mobile, you'll typically see the channel list and can long press the channel name to reveal more options. This long press gesture is the key to accessing channel settings quickly when you're on a mobile device. From the menu that appears, tap on Edit Channel. This opens a channel's editing screen where you can adjust various details. Look for the channel topic field. It's usually labeled clearly and sits among other metadata like the channel name and permissions. Tap on the channel topic field to activate the text box. This is where you'll replace the old topic with your new message. If there's existing text, delete it to avoid confusion. Then type in the new, concise topic you want to display. A good topic states the purpose of the channel, any rules or guidelines, and what members can post there. After you've entered the new topic, take a moment to review it for clarity and length. You want something that's informative but not overly long. Aim for 1 to 2 short sentences or a brief bullet-like statement. If your server has a specific format or tone, keep that consistent with your wording. When you're satisfied with the update, save your changes. On mobile, there's typically a save or done button at the top right corner. Tap it to confirm. Your channel topic is now visible to anyone who visits the channel, giving them instant context about what belongs